everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a rice pilaf. I'm going to make a rice pilaf with the HotLink sausages. It's very tasty and very delicious. Without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. The ingredients we're going to use: Basmati rice is 1 cup. I have a cold water. Put Basmati rice into cold water. Soak it for like 10 minutes until the time we are preparing our tadka. If you want to soak it for a longer period of time, that is fine as well. 1.5 cup water. These are HotLink sausages and I'm going to use 2 of these. 3 bay leaves, long slices of ginger, it's 1 teaspoon, and 1 small onion. Spices from masala dabba and olive oil. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. These are HotLink sausages and these are pre-cooked. We're going to cut into small pieces. And you want to cut about this size, like a 1/2 inch, and this will be perfect. So I'll finish up cutting this. Get a fry pan and we'll start gas. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, we'll bring cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon, and bay leaves. Cook it for 10 seconds. This is good enough. Add ginger. Mix it. Add onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion until they get translucent. The onions are nicely translucent. Add spices. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Salt is always to taste. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix it well. Cook the spices along with tadka for 1/2 minute. Cooking for 1/2 minute. Add HotLink. Mix it well. We're going to cook HotLink sausages with tadka for a couple minutes. Cooking for a couple minutes, as you see, the link started to release oil. Add water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. The water started to boil. Open the lid. The rice is washed. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid on a high gas. Cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on a high gas. Open the lid. Mix it. Bring the gas to simmer. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid again. For 5 minutes, we're going to leave it on the simmer. Exactly 5 minutes on the simmer. We're going to turn off the gas. And now, very important, to get the perfect rice pilaf, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to dish out. We waited for 5 minutes. Open the lid. Link sausages rice pilaf is ready, and look at the rice pilaf. All the basmati rice, each grain is separate. I have my serving tray ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at, quick and easy to make rice pilaf. Let me share with you. It's very easy to make rice pilaf with HotLink sausages. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.